If your walking pad is starting to make a loud creaking noise, then it's probably time to lubricate the belt.
Now the first thing you have to do is get out the instructions that came with your walking pad and turn to the maintenance instructions. If you were wondering, how often do I need to oil my walking pad? Well, I purchased the DeerRun Q2, and my instructions say that it must be lubricated after half a year or after a cumulative running time of 100 hours. This seems to be similar with other brands recommending that you oil your walking pad every 3 to 6 months or every 100 miles of use, but make sure you check your user manual for your specific model. Now the instructions on how to oil your walking pad are actually pretty simple. First, you're going to clean the treadmill. I just gave it a quick wipe down with a clean rag. Next, turn off the power. Now remember this thing right here? Well, this is the refueling bottle. It's used to apply the oil under the belt and onto the running board. You're going to pull up the running belt and pour the silicone oil onto the inner surface of the running board. Finally, we're going to start the treadmill and just let it run for 10 to 20 seconds at a speed of 3 miles per hour in order to help spread the oil onto the belt and the running board. And that's it. You're ready for your next walk. To see how my walking pad actually held up after 30 days, watch this video next.